In this video, we're just going to go over how to utilize the little gripper to download that and then bring it into SolidWorks. So just click on it first. We'll say Save File. So that just moves it to my Downloads folder. Okay, so in the Downloads, and then I'm just going to right-click and say Cut. And I have a file just called temp.sw, so I'll just put it in there and paste it in there. Okay, and so now we'll want to extract, so I'll just say extract here. So that has extracted their IGES files, as you can see. And so now if we go to SolidWorks and go to Open, and probably a good idea to set this to IGES right there. And if you can see that if you go to Options, we'll just take the defaults here. Okay, so that looks all right. And then I'm just going to open the grip assembly, and I'm going to create them as inch parts. So it's converting them now, and then also as an assembly. So there's the assembly, and here's all the parts. Now you'll notice on the mates there's no mates, so you do have to go in and set up the mates. So in other words, if they're in the right place, but if I drag them, they're not constrained. So you can figure out, what kind of constraints you want, so that then this thing will operate as correctly as a subassembly. Okay, and so now I'll just go ahead and save this, and so we're saving all these parts. Okay, so now if I pick like the one of these solid parts and list by type. All right, so now you have all the IGES files, and you also have all the solid parts and the solid assembly. So at this point, you can go ahead and use this in your SolidWorks assembly.